skies a gentle gray, the world's at peace. It's every step I take, my worries cease. Raindrops dance like whispers on my umbrella. In this soothing moment, my heart is a fella. Each droplet sings a tune, soft and sweet. In the quiet of the night, my soul feels the beat. Walking through the rain, I leave my worries behind. Every drop a note in the symphony I find. With every little splash, my heart starts to sing. In this tranquil moments, I feel everything. Puddles form like mirrors, reflecting my story. As I stroll through the twilight, wrapped in glory. The scent of rain blends with earth, a sweet embrace. In this calming vibe, I find my place. The rhythm of the rain, a soothing refrain. I take a deep breath, let go of my pain. Walking through the rain, I leave my worries behind. Every drop a note in the symphony I find. With every little splash, my heart starts to sing. In this tranquil moment, I feel everything. So let the rain fall, let it wash me away. In the heart of evening, I choose to stay.